Faux wood blinds are kind of one of your more basic window coverings. They're very, very affordable. They allow you the ability to tilt them open or closed for light control or privacy. They're made of a lot of different materials. Faux simply means fake wood blinds. So a faux wood blind could be made of a PVC, which is polyvinyl chloride. That's something that doesn't really react well in ultraviolet light, tends to turn yellow and get brittle over time. Some are made of a composite material or an alloy material that's a mixture of polymers and woods. A lot of our brands like Hunter Douglas unconditionally guarantee those for life against warping or cracking or fading or peeling. Some of those things that a PVC type of faux wood blind can't offer. Now, composite faux wood blinds are going to be a little more expensive than a PVC faux wood blind, but they're also going to be a lot lighter weight and last longer. So you have to buy one set rather than 2 or 3 over time because of the breakdown of the PVC.